All right, cool. So what is trending? You know, everybody keeps asking, like, what's trending? How do you know what's trending? And I spoke about this previously about how I have one email every day sent to me on what's happening in Facebook, on social media, marketing, brands. And basically, it's a Google alert, which you can set up. So if you go into Google and you Google Alerts, you can set up an alert. Now you'll notice I've put my name in here as well. So if anybody puts anything on Google with regards to my name, I will get a notification instantly. But if anybody talks about brands or marketing, Facebook, social media, or even trending, what if I spoke about, let's put something in, if I wanted to know more stuff about rust protection or rust, okay, for Daryl, I could go alert me when there's anything in the world happening about rust. I can create the alert. You can go in here to edit. You can have it automatically. So as it comes out, I just get it sent to me once per day. So once per day, I just get a summed up email that they'll send me with, this is who's talking about rust. These are the articles about, social media. You can even specify the region. So say, for example, you're only wanting, I don't know, stuff that's happening in Sydney or stuff that's happening on the Gold Coast. You can actually select that as well. And then you can set that there. And of course I can delete it because I don't want alerts about rust. I'm getting enough alerts as it is. And that way, topical, interesting stuff will be emailed into your Gmail inbox, giving you information about that. So that one was pretty cool. The next one is answer.com. So if I go to answer.com, and if I just want the free one, and I'm sure we've done this before, but if I just want to know what people are asking about getting clients, okay, and you can choose the location, which is obviously really important. A lot of people say to use America because they're larger, they have a larger audience, but you may wish to try just your location. So if I go getting clients in Australia and I go search, you do get 2 free per day. And I do recommend that you save them because then you have them. Then it will show you what people are asking for online. And these over here, you should really consider in your headings. Okay, so there we go. So these are the questions right now. You can also turn it to this. How to start getting clients, how to start getting clients in real estate, getting clients, how to develop clients, how to get your first clients, how long does it take to get clients. This is a good way for you to look at what people are searching for, because then you can create content with that, which is going to help you be found online. So if you have these as you're getting, especially like in YouTube or your blogs, that could be really helpful. And as I said, you can download that to your computer. You can do 2 per day. So I'll just do another one here to show you what people are asking about. Let's think about stress. Again, just check the location. So what are people asking about stress? Search. This is in Australia. And we're waiting and waiting. There we go. Look at that. So if you are unsure of what content you create or what to call your content, because calling your blogs, calling your videos in YouTube, using these as your headlines is going to help you come up in the search engines, just like Jane came up because of the Olympics. I mean, look at this. There's so much here that you could do, which would give you content topics. And as I said, download them to your computer and you've got 2 per day for free, which is really awesome. Now, the next one I often get asked is what are the awareness weeks? Because I never know about the awareness weeks until they happen. So again, it depends if your audience is in Australia, but I found this one over here, which is called ourcommunity.com.au/calendar/calendar. And there's a calendar which gives you the awareness weeks. Therefore, if any of these are relevant to your customer or relevant to you, you can now go in and schedule this content according to what's relevant to you. So there we go. From the 1st to the 31st of August is Tradies National Health Month. If tradies are your ideal client, you could post about that or support or bring awareness to that, which is really awesome. Here we go. We've got OCD and Anxiety Disorders Week from the 4th to the 10th of August. So again, if that's relevant to your audience, you can post content around that. Now, Google has got its own keyword planner. However, you can only do it if you can only use the keyword planner if you're doing a Google Ads campaign. So I basically just Googled what's a free tool, and out came keywordtool.io. So here we go. Find great keywords using Google autocomplete. And over here, again, you can then find out what are the keywords that you should be using in your content so that you can be found. And I'd be very curious to know as to what keyword tool Daryl knows. So I will actually make sure that when he sorts out a sound problem. Daryl, are you with us? Can you hear us? Oh, he still can't hear us. So frustrating. He would be a great person to ask because I know that he does a lot on keywords, and I'm working with an SEO specialist at the moment, which is all based on those keywords, so you get searched or found beforehand. Okay, let's just have a look at sorry, I'm just muting everyone. Okay, cool. So those are some of the tools, just some of the trending or the ways to find out what's trending right now so that you can title and create content around what is trending.